Hi everyone! Si Susan Caboy ulito for another video tutorial dito sa ating Teach Me How YouTube channel. And pag-uusapan natin ngayon is yung mga favorite quotes ko regarding money and how to save money. Okay? And sana ma-enjoy mo dahil ma-inspire ka sa ginawa kong compilation ng famous quotes regarding money. Okay? So, stay tuned and please make sure to subscribe and pakihit mo na rin yung bell icon para wala ka manis. Being rich is saving money. Being wealthy is saving time. This is very true, especially if you have all the money and the riches in the world. Kung wala ka namang freedom to do the things that you love, to relax, to enjoy life with your family and friends, and most especially kung wala kang peace of mind. Being rich also means having enough money to support your lifestyle without having to work 9 to 5 for an employer. As others have basically said, time is the ultimate luxury. Money speaks only one language. If you save me today, I will save you tomorrow. Napakaganda at very inspiring yung quote na to dahil it only means kung start ka mag-save today, invest today, work hard today for your future. Definitely, your money will save you pagdating ng panahon na matanda ka na and you need financial support because of aging. It is not your salary that would makes you rich, it is your spending habits. Very true din to dahil ang tao, we have all natural tendency to spend more when they earn more. We are also tempted sa mga nakikita nating sale na magagandang bagay na kahit hindi natin kaya o hindi natin ma-afford, binibili pa rin natin. So many of us also get to buy things to impress others or fit in a specific social cycle. Okay? And lahat ng yon, all those behaviors conflict with getting financially independent. Okay? If you want to be financially successful, create a multiple income streams. Ibig sabihin lang nito, kung gusto mong maging successful financially, kailangan magkaroon tayo ng other sources of income. Okay? Sa panahon natin ngayon, especially ang population natin, majority is puro empleyado. Siyempre, pagka nag-absent ka, nababawasan yung income mo. Okay? Kailangan meron tayong another source. Kasi once your income streams are reliable, you may be able to give up your regular 9 to 5 job. So, having more than one stream of income helps you to achieve your financial goals and objectives. So, yung sources of income mo pwedeng maging galing sa employment, sa rental income, pwede rin sa mga small business mo or sa mga part-time jobs, or kung marunong ka ng online jobs, pwede rin manggaling doon. Okay? So, sabay-sabay tayo na magbasa ng mga books about money, manood ng mga videos about money, at maging financial literate. Okay? Para sa future natin, para ma-enhance yung ating knowledge regarding financial literacy. So, that's it for now mga kapatid. Sana nag-enjoy kayo at meron kayong natutunan sa aking short video tutorial regarding financial literacy, at marami tayong quotes na ibinahagi at kinompile para sa inyo. Okay? So, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again tomorrow for another episode ng Teach Me How YouTube videos. Okay? So, bye-bye for today. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. God bless. See ya!